And down 7, down 30, 100, David, a good third. 15, 15, 15. Sold 40, sold 26, sold 33,000, sold 38,000, sold 36,000.
Hey guys, this is Rob from Classic Car Living. So in today's video, I'm going to take you back to Mecum Tulsa, but I'm going to show you cars that I think are in the perfect price point. Somewhere between $30,000 to $40,000. You can get some amazing cars that have been fully restored and a lot of money put into at a very cheap price. But now the question to you is, would you rather buy a car that's already been redone and ready to go? Or would you rather buy a car that's cheap and restore it yourself? This is the question I want you guys to put in your comments. Let's go check these cars out.
Lot F96, 1968 Oldsmobile 442 convertible. Comes with a 350 horsepower with a 4-speed manual transmission, 7,000 miles on the odometer. Look at this paint job. It looks absolutely perfect. Look at the chrome. Comes with an air induction system. Let's take a look at this interior. Beautiful. It's got the cream color interior with bucket seats and center console that look in great condition. It's got power steering, chrome torque thrust wheels, that beautiful candy apple red exterior, enthusiast owned and garage kept. Look at that engine compartment, guys. This has a new carb that's included and it's sold for only $35,000. Lot S115. This is a 1969 Chevy El Camino SS. Comes with a 396 automatic transmission and air conditioning. Check out that engine compartment. 87,700 miles on the odometer. It's a recent restoration with a matching numbers, blue and black interior, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes. Check out that bench seat. Interior looks nice and clean. So here's the question. Do you buy a car where you restore it yourself? Or do you buy something like this, which has already been restored in great condition? Which one's cheaper? I always like to buy my cars already done because they invest way more money than what they get for it. This one sold for only $33,000. Lot F92. Here's a 1969 Chevy Chevelle 454 4-speed manual transmission with 85,722 miles on the odometer. Engine compartment looks absolutely gorgeous. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 12-bolt rear axle. Check out those wheels. Paint looks beautiful, guys. Let's take a look at this interior. No rips or tears in that interior. Again, look at that paint job. This thing pops. It's got those SS-style alloy wheels. Let's take a look at the back. Chrome looks clean. Paint looks great. I guarantee you they've invested a lot more money in this car to get it into this shape than what it sold for, because it sold for only $35,000. Lot F173, 1951 Ford F1 pickup. Comes with a 239, 110 horsepower, 3-speed manual transmission, 86,635 miles on the odometer. Look at that color. Beautiful wide white wall tires, blue exterior with the blue and white interior, running boards. The paint is 10 out of 10. Let's take a look at the interior. Super clean, very basic for these type of trucks. Check out the mileage. Dash looks good. Bench seat looks good. Let's take a look at that paint job in the back. Look at that chrome. Guys, how much money was put into this? Again, I keep repeating myself because everyone says online you can't find good deals at Mecum. I would bet the owner invested more money than $35,000. Lot F170, 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This thing has a 260 automatic transmission, 44,449 miles on the odometer. You cannot beat the white and red interior color combination. This thing is gorgeous. It's actually a 64.5 production Mustang. It's got the power convertible top, air conditioning, the factory style stereo, bucket seats, power steering. Look at that dash. You can't beat that interior. Beautiful. My buddy Carlos had this same exact car and he regrets selling it till today. This is absolutely gorgeous, in great condition. Check out that engine. Since it's a 64.5, it still has a generator on there. This car sold for $33,500. Lot S211. This is a 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback. It comes with a 351 with an automatic transmission, 99,500 miles on the odometer. This is one of an estimated 891 Mach 1s produced with these paint and trim codes. It was built in Dearborn, November 1970. It has a deluxe Marty report. It's finished in this grabber blue with the hockey stick side stripes and the Mach 1 decals. It has blue knit vinyl bucket seats, select air ventilation, stereo, center console, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, conventional rear axle gears, comes with those Magnum 500 wheels, the front air dam spoiler, rear deck spoiler, and the famous rear window louvers. This is an absolute gorgeous car, and it's sold for only $38,000. Comes with a 331 automatic transmission and factory air. Look at that car. It's beautiful. Look at the front of that with the chrome. 43,320 miles on the odometer. Engine compartment looks absolutely perfect. Look at this thing. It's refinished in the period correct gray metallic Cadillac color, restored with the period correct glamour style silver and gray leather and cloth interior, factory air conditioning, those beautiful white wall tires. The chrome looks amazing. The paint looks amazing. Let's take a look at this interior. This thing is absolutely perfect, guys. Look at this beautiful interior. Look at the bench seat. How much money do you think was put into this car? This car has been in Kansas since the 1960s and was brought to Oklahoma in 2000 when it was purchased by the seller's father. It's got those wide white wall tires, the wheel covers with Cadillac center caps. Look at the stance on this thing. Detailed maintenance log. Garage kept, as you can tell. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. And look at this price, $36,000. Lot F132, 1973 Plymouth Cuda. It's got a 440 with an automatic transmission, 95,451 miles on the odometer. For you Mopar fans, this thing is a little beefed up. Check out those back tires. It has power brakes, the Rally instrument cluster. Chrome on the back looks clean. Paint looks amazing. Let's take a look at this interior. It's got the bucket seats. Looks very original. Center console looks clean. Has that rear spoiler and those alloy wheels. This is a beautiful Mopar. Check out that front. Let's take a look at that engine compartment. It's got that aluminum radiator. Looks great. It's sold for $39,000. Lot F127. Here's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Comes with a 350 automatic transmission, 13,000 miles on the odometer. Check out that engine compartment. Engine looks clean. Look at the front. Chrome looks amazing. You can tell it's got a 4-inch lowered suspension. This thing has power steering, power brakes, custom misty jade green paint. Look at the interior. Check out the gauges. There's the mileage. Bench seat looks good. Looks like a new interior. It's got vintage air. This thing is a California car, and it's been stored and covered for the past 4 years. Chevy Bel Air 1957. This is an amazing car in a great year, and it's sold for only $37,000. Lot F88. Here's a 1942 Chevy Custom Pickup. Comes with a 383 automatic transmission, only 2,300 miles on the odometer. It's got this candy green paint, which looks amazing. Let's take a look at that engine compartment. It's a frame-off restoration truck. It's got custom boxed chassis, aluminum intake manifold, custom stainless Borea exhaust, Holley 4-barrel carb. Let's take a look at that interior. Gauges look beautiful. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. It's 4-wheel power disc brakes, has a custom Ford 9-inch rear, modified bumpers, the tan alligator leather bucket seats that you saw inside, vintage air, power windows, the oak bed floors. This thing sold for only $39,000. Lot S17. Here's a 1969 Chevy Camaro Z28. Comes with this 302 4-speed manual transmission, 85,310 miles on the odometer. It was restored in Wichita, Kansas in 2014. This thing had a rebuilt engine and transmission. It's a highly original sheet metal car with the exception of its passenger side fender, which was replaced with an OEM replica. New black paint with white stripes, but the seller note it shows flaws. It has a brand new interior, as you can tell, new wiring harness. It sat wrecked and untouched for 40 years. So we don't know if this has a rebuilt title or was a clean title. The chrome looks good. It's got the beefy tires in the back, the tinted windows. It's a California car, and it sold for $39,000. Lot S89, 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible. This thing has a 455 with an automatic transmission. Take a look at that engine compartment. Looks beautiful. 2,219 miles on the odometer. It comes in this beautiful gold paint. Take a look at that paint job. I would rate that paint job a 9 out of a 10. Chrome looks great. It's got those polished mag style wheels. Look at that color. I love the black top with the gold. Let's take a look at the interior. It's got these upgraded gauges. Steering looks good. Bucket seats with the center console. Interior looks mint condition. Guys, this car looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't find any flaws on this. Look at the chrome in the back. This paint job looks amazing. Again, I would say a 9 out of 10. Just an amazing car. And this car sold at Tulsa for only $40,000. Lot S44, 1970 Pontiac GTO comes with a 400 automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, 53,174 miles on the odometer. This is a factory color combination of Granada Gold with saddle interior and a white convertible top. This thing has power steering, power front disc brakes, power top, original AM radio. Take a look at that interior. The interior looks nice and clean. It's got those Pontiac Rally wheels, remote mirror, and the factory cruise control. Paint job looks 9 out of 10. Chrome looks great, no pitting. Let me know what you guys think. I really want to hear from you. If you think you should buy a car already done like this one or buy a project car. This car only sold for $40,000. Lot S33, 1970 Chevy Camaro Z28 comes with a 350 automatic transmission. Take a look at that engine compartment. Odometer reads 98,600 miles. It's a factory Camaro Z28, dual snorkel air cleaner with chrome cover, automatic transmission. It's got PPG blue and white stripes, full console and horseshoe shifter. Instrument cluster has new sockets, bulbs, and headlight switch. Repaired dashboard wiring. It's got new horns, power steering, power front disc brakes, the factory Z28 rally wheels, new fuel pump hose and clamps, and it has the dual exhaust. Check out that paint job. The chrome looks clean. I would bet you that they put a lot more money into this car than what it sold for. This car sold for only $40,000. Lot F87, here's a 1967 Ford Fairlane GTA convertible. Comes with a 390 automatic transmission, 64,000 miles on the odometer. Engine compartment looks clean. It's got fuel injection, power steering, power brakes. Check out that front. The chrome looks perfect. The paint looks amazing. It's got these rally wheels. It's got the stripes on the bottom. Convertible top looks good. Let's take a look at the interior. Bucket seats look amazing. Center console. This thing looks super clean. Let's go around back. Chrome looks great. Paint looks amazing. This is an amazing car. And again, they've invested a lot more money than what it sold for. Let me know in the comments if you'd rather buy a car like this already done or a project car, because this thing sold for only $42,500. Lot S160 1970 Chevy Camaro. This beast comes with a 6.2-liter, 5-speed manual transmission, vintage air. Check out that engine compartment. Absolutely gorgeous. The odometer reads 3,200 miles. This is a purple color with those beautiful wheels. Look at that. Nice chromed out. It's got digital dash with vintage air, power steering. Check out this interior. This car has been completely redone, as you can tell. It's absolutely perfect. Look at the stance on that thing. It's got the stripes. It has those blacked out bumpers. This car is absolutely show condition. How much money do you think they put into this car? Well, this car sold at Mecum Tulsa for only $43,000. Lot S25. This is a 1970 Chevy Malibu. Comes with a small block V8, automatic transmission, 94,062 miles on the odometer. This is not a true SS. It's a replica. It's got silver exterior with the black stripes. It's got black interior, bucket seats, the folding armrest, cowl hood, four-wheel disc brakes, and dual exhaust. Let's take a look at the interior. Interior looks super clean. Seats look good. The paint job on this looks amazing. Take a look at the chrome on the back. Again, this is not a true SS. It's a replica. But again, how much money was put into this car? I would bet more than $43,000. Lot S69.1, 1969 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. This thing comes with a 350 automatic transmission, 20,300 miles on the odometer. This is the Hugger Orange with the black interior. True X55 Code Super Sport. It's got these new 18-inch in the front and 20-inch wheels. Paint looks amazing. It's got a 12-bolt rear end. Comes with power steering, power disc brakes. Take a look at that interior. It's got the center console, the bucket seats. Everything looks nice. No rips or tears. Check out that paint. It's got the power convertible top with new carpets. Take a look at the chrome. Paint job on this thing, again, is probably 9 out of 10, if not 10 out of 10. I want to hear your comments. Please leave me a comment if you think that this is a great deal. This thing sold for only $44,000. Lot S145, 1965 Pontiac Le Mans, turbocharged 6.0 with automatic transmission. This is a frame-off restoration, guys. Odometer reads 64,150 miles. This thing has a Holley Terminator X system, power steering, power front disc brakes, tubular control arms, comes with retro sound custom audio system, the tilt steering column. Let's take a look at this interior. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that. Seats look great. It's got those beautiful bucket seats and those 17-inch American racing wheels. Look at the cat eyes. If you guys follow my channel, you know that that's one of my favorite cars. Look at this engine compartment. This car is absolutely perfect, and it's sold for only $44,500. Lot F91. Here's a 1968 Chevy Camaro, 350 with an automatic transmission, 70,465 miles. Let's take a look at this engine compartment. Guys, this is perfect. Absolutely beautiful. Comes with power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Let's take a look at that beautiful front of this Camaro with the chrome. Looks great. Paint looks amazing. I'm not a big fan of those wheels, but I can understand that people like that. It's got a staggered 18-inch and 20-inch front and back. Interior looks good. Very clean. No rips or tears on this thing. I want to keep doing a walk around so you can see the quality of work on this car. Look at that paint job is probably a 10 out of 10. Look at that stance. The chrome looks good. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. Again, I would probably remove those wheels. That's just my taste. But this car sold for only $45,000.